Step 1. Hard-boiled your eggs, crack them, and peel them. Then you're going to want to chop them up into sort of cubey chunks, and then you're going to want to cut up your onions, and cut up, for the basics, you pretty much just want onions, maybe chop up some pickles. This is all bell pepper, which is not traditional, but should be very healthy. And it doesn't have to be as chopped up as I've done it here. That's way more labor intensive, but great. Okay, here's some pickles. I'm gonna cut those up into little bits like that.
This is the most miserable place I think I have ever been.
Add some salt and maybe a little pepper. This is gonna be your main ingredient. Only add a little bit at a time. You can always add more. You cannot remove mayonnaise. And I like to use, that I've learned from my mom, a squirt or whatever YOLO mustard. Once you have your egg salad, you put it in the fridge for at least an hour to help it gel together. I definitely could have used 2 more hard-boiled eggs. Actually, pretty good taste. It's just got a lot more vegetables than usual. The vegetables are optional. All you need are hard-boiled eggs, mayonnaise, and then basically maybe some salt and pepper. Oh, onions, chopped onions. But yeah, okay. You can do it too. Do it.